So you're looking for the best streaming applications, the best movie applications, live TV, TV shows, pay-per-view, sports, all of that good stuff. What's the best and safest way to install that on all of your devices? Well, there's actually a single downloader code you can type in, and this single code will give you access to an entire library of the best streaming applications that you can install on your Firestick, on your Android TV in just a couple of clicks. Now, to start the process, let's press the home key. So the very first thing you need on your device is a downloader application. You can search for that. Let's just type in down, and that should be enough to bring that up. As you can see here, downloader. And this is the application. So this is a great application. It's a built-in browser, allows you to access different sites on the internet, but it also allows you to use shortcodes, which are like short URLs, which allow you to access different websites using numbers. So let's open that up. Now, before we enter in this secret code, we do have to make one quick change just to make sure that downloader has the correct permissions to allow us to download applications from the internet. Now, to make that change, let's press the home key. Let's now go over to the settings. Let's go to My Fire TV. Let's click on that. Let's go to developer options. Now, if you can't see the developer options on your device, all you have to do is just go to About, press the select button there. And where you see your device type, I'm doing this on a Fire TV Cube. All you have to do is just press the select button here 7 times. Now, you can see on my device, it tells me that I don't need to do this because I've already done this process, and it tells me that I'm already a developer. And all that basically means is when you press the back button, you now get access to these developer options. Once you see them on your device, I can now press the select button there, and I now have the option to install unknown apps. And this is basically where we give the permission to downloader so we can then install applications from the application which are outside the official Amazon App Store. So let's press the select button there. Let's find downloader in the list and make sure downloader is set to on. Once you confirm that, I can now press the home key. Let's now open up downloader and enter in this code. Now, the code for this particular application store is just 950526. I can type that in, and I can now click on go, or you can press the play button on your remote. Let's do that now. And this will take you straight to this custom application store. Let's give that a second. Now, we can see on my device, this is actually being blocked for me because there are changes now in certain countries where certain content is being blocked by your ISP. What that basically means is they want to stop people accessing certain content. Now, the easy fix I have for this, I just press the home key. I can now start my VPN, the VPN I personally recommend, which is this one here. Let me click on that now, and I'm now connected. And what this means is my internet service provider can now no longer monitor what I'm doing on my device. They can't see my traffic, they can't see what I'm looking at, they can't see what I'm downloading. And because of that, I should now be able to access any site that I like. So let's press the home key. And if you're looking for a great offer on that VPN, I will leave a link in the video description and pinned comment. Let's try that again. Let's go back to home. And we can see now with the same code, 950526, I can click on go. Let's give that a second. And we can see that's now connected first time. And what you have now, guys, is just a massive library, a massive app store, all properly categorized, all properly updated, giving you access to really the best content that's available out there. And many thanks to Sean, whose app store this is, for providing a great application store that we can all use absolutely free. So you have a section for movies and TV shows, live TV, catch up, all-in-one sections. You got the K app, you got media players. Now, obviously, you have to appreciate that streaming laws are different depending on where you are in the world. What may be suitable for you in your country might not be suitable in my country, which is the UK, and particularly YouTube, who are very, very fussy on what you can actually show. So because of that, I'm not going to go into every section, but just trust me when I say the best applications you are looking for can definitely be found in these sections here. But for a quick installation test, let's go down into media players. Let's click on that. You can see some of the stuff that's been updated, very, very recent. Let's say in this example, I would like to install MX Player Pro. Let's click on that. And you can see, guys, one click, no pop-ups, no interruptions, and I'm instantly downloading the application directly onto my device. I can now click on install. Literally in a couple of seconds, guys, you can see This application should now be installed directly onto my device, and that's how easy it is to sideload or to fully load these devices. Just have to find the right application store which has the applications that you want, a couple of clicks, and you can get them installed directly onto your device. And we can see on mine in a few seconds that completes successfully. So I can even click on open and that's working absolutely fine. Let's go back to the site. Let's just have a quick peek at, for example, movies and TV shows. I might have to slightly blur the content, but I mean, you can see applications that were updated this month. So if you really want the best or the latest streaming applications, it really does have a great list in here that you can install with one click. The only thing I would suggest that when you are streaming certain content, particularly this kind of content, it is essential for you to use a VPN, because as I mentioned before, when you activate that VPN, nobody, your ISP, bad actors, hackers, they can't see what you're doing on your device. It gives you that protection, it gives you that full encryption, and it just allows you to have a better and more safer online streaming experience. Right now, there is a super special offer for the VPN I personally recommend, where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.